Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on outcropping. The massive size of outcropping sets it apart in the realm of hardscapes. With 12 unique pieces ranging from 2 feet to 6 feet in width and 6 inches to 24 inches in height, the outcropping wall system provides a large, natural weathered stone aesthetic. From small curving garden walls to large retaining walls, outcropping can handle any application. Within the outcropping wall system, we have several options. Our A, B, and C pallets are our standard wall pallets and have a metal hook in the back designed to be lifted with our outcropping clamp. Each wall pallet is 18 face feet. The D, E, and corner pallets are faced on all 4 sides and the top. These can be lifted with straps or an appropriate clamp in areas where both sides of the walls are seen or there are outside 90-degree corners. The A, B, and C wall pallets have the units spray painted on the back of each block. For example, a block may say B-3 on the back. This means the block comes from the B pallet and is 3 feet in length. This is important when it comes to using our wall layout program. There are several great online tools that can help you plan for the installation of your outcropping wall. Our wall height guide provides preliminary engineering and cross sections for the outcropping wall system, ranging from different heights, soil conditions, and loading conditions. These specs are for reference only and do not replace the stamped design from a licensed engineer. We have many great resources to assist an engineer if needed. The Outcropping Layout app helps minimize wasted material and improves on-site installation efficiency. You can contact your local representative if you need help with measuring or laying out your outcropping wall. Helpful tools include a sledgehammer, a large metal adjustment bar, levels, an outcropping lifting clamp with a rated chain or strap, shovels, rakes, a string line, a transit level, a concrete saw, and a machine capable of lifting the material on site. You may also need fabric for behind the wall, perforated drain pipe, geogrid, and paraweb strapping. You can easily set outcropping wall block with our proprietary lifting device. Please make sure you have a chain or strap in good operating condition capable of lifting a minimum of 2,000 pounds. To begin, lift the device until the hook and block are properly seated and engaged. Once the latch is closed, insert the safety pin and slowly lift the block with the machine. For 6-inch tall blocks, engage the bottom plate of the device to make full contact with the back of the block as the piece is being lifted. Each site has unique conditions and challenges. Please refer to ASTM standards and local ordinances for your specific site. For additional references, please see our online resources at highformat.com. For setting the base course, we recommend knocking off the shear heels with a sledgehammer so the block sits level on your prepared base. For every vertical foot the wall goes up, the shear heels force a 3-inch setback. With multiple block heights to provide a more uniform wall, the setback of the block varies proportionately with the block's height. To ensure proper wall alignment and account for the multiple height blocks with varying setbacks, you have to adjust the bottom row of the blocks based on their height. Setting up a string line for the base course will create a reference point for staggering each block according to this diagram. This adjustment is only needed for the base course. After placing each block, check with a level front to back and side to side. If the block is not level, either pick the block up to adjust the base or tap it into place with the setting machine using a block of wood to avoid marring the block. This video is for demonstration purposes only. For safety reasons, do not stack blocks more than 2 feet high before backfilling. Once the base course is set, You can now set each additional course according to the block layout. When installing each block, remember to check the shear heels to make sure they are properly engaged with the block below. The large metal bar can be used to move the block one way or another. There are 3 standard reinforcement types for outcropping wall. The first is a typical gravity wall, where there is no reinforcement besides the block. The second, in certain situations, includes a concrete backfill, ranging the first 1 to 3 feet of concrete poured behind the blocks. This can allow up to 9 feet in certain applications. We also have a geogrid and paraweb option, which has preliminary heights up to 15 feet. If you get into a situation where your wall needs additional reinforcements, please contact the High Format sales team. Lastly, keep in mind that our irregular step collection makes for a perfect coping option for our outcropping wall. Thank you for looking at the outcropping wall. If you have more questions, please visit our website at highformat.com or contact your local sales representative.